Hello, today we will guide you through how to change currency in HFM. To begin, open the MyHF page on the HFM website. This is the main area where you can manage your account settings and create trading accounts. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct dashboard screen before moving on. Starting from the right page helps avoid confusion and makes the rest of the process much smoother. Next, look for the option labeled Open Demo Account and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can create a new demo trading account. A demo account is useful if you want to practice trading or test account settings without using real funds. In this case, it is also where you can choose the currency you want the account to use. After that, find and click on the Sample Trading Account option. This opens the demo account setup page associated with that account type. If there are several account choices visible on your screen, make sure you select the one shown for this process so that you land on the correct setup form. This is important because the currency setting appears during account creation. Once you are on the setup page, look for the account currency drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down to view the available currency options. This field controls the base currency for the demo account you are creating. Choosing the right account currency can help you keep your balance, profits, and losses displayed in the format that makes the most sense for you. It is a good idea to pause here and review the list carefully before making your selection. Now select the sample currency from the list. After you choose it, the account currency field should update to reflect your selection. This confirms that the currency has been changed for the demo account setup. If needed, you can double-check the field before continuing with any remaining account creation details on the page. And that's it. By opening a demo account, selecting the sample trading account, and updating the account currency field, you can change the currency during the HFM demo account setup process. As a final tip, always review your selected currency before submitting the form, since this setting is tied to how the account will display values. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide made the process simple and clear.